Welcome to day 22 of the 5 Luo Words a Day. Today we talk about adwaga. Adwaga. That is food that is poorly cooked. It mostly applies to cornmeal or ugali. Adwaga. Ma en kuon adwaga. Ma en kuon adwaga. Adwaga. And the second word is aero. Aero or aero. Aero. And that's equivalent to saying aero. Correct. Aero. Aero. Good. The third word of the day is afito. Afito. Now, some people call it adunga oiro. Adunga oiro. This is a species of beetle that emits a smoky substance when you disturb it. So, afito or adunga oiro. Adunga oiro. The fourth word of the day is afuongo. Afuongo. An O is missing between the U and the N. Sorry about that. Afuongo. Afuongo is a skirt. Afuongo. Afuongo. And the last word of the day today is afwete. Afwete. So afwete is loincloth for women or girls. Afwete. Afwete. That's it for the day, and I hope you had a great day. See you tomorrow.